Good morning, students. Today we'll see the first chapter, that is Triumph of Surgery, from the book Supplementary Reader, which is written by a veterinary surgeon, James Herriot. So in the story, James Herriot, means the narrator, saves the life of a dog whose name was Tricky by hospitalizing him to prevent him from being overfed by his wealthy owner, Mrs. Pamprey, who was simply worsening his condition. So what is the summary? Now Dr. Herriot had pulled off his car when he saw Mrs. Pamprey with her little dog on the street. The dog was very fat. He had blood red and rummy eyes. His tongue lolled from his jaws. Dr. Herriot was shocked to see his appearance. So this type of appearance means that fatty condition of the dog. Mrs. Pamprey called Tricky. Tricky means it is the name of that little dog. As listless. He had no energy. So she gave him extra between the meals. So between the two meals, Mrs. Pamprey gave something extra to feed Tricky. But his health could not be built up. Even the malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks failed to make him sleepy. Mrs. Pamprey cut down on the sweet things but relented when Tricky started getting weaker. She gave him his favorite cream cakes and chocolates. She gave him food at odd and irregular hours. She gave him only little walks and no other exercise. Why? Now, according to Mrs. Pamprey, she thought that Tricky was getting weaker, and then the doctor advised Mrs. Pamprey to cut Tricky's food right down and to give him more exercise. Mrs. Pamprey got determined to adhere to the doctor's stern advice. Dr. Herriot watched Tricky's progress but was not satisfied. Soon after, he left eating and kept vomiting and panting. The doctor suggested that Tricky should be kept under observation in the hospital. Mrs. Pamprey started wailing when Dr. Herriot took Tricky to the hospital. Everybody in the household, including her maid, were in tears because they all liked Tricky very much. Tricky could not even wag his tail or kick with his legs because he was so fat. His eyes too had become dull and he lay down motionless on the carpet. The other dogs at the surgery ignored him as an uninterested object. The doctor gave him plenty of water. He became a bit energetic after 2 days. On the third day, he trotted out and enjoyed the company of the other dog. Trotted means move out slowly. He also started eating properly. The doctor did not give Tricky any medicinal treatment. All day he frolicked with other dogs carefully. He got out of danger and started convalescing rapidly. It means very rapidly Tricky mixed with other dogs. Then by seeing this, Mrs. Pamprey inquired about Tricky on the phone many times a day. She was suffering from a pangs of his separation. She could not resist the separation between her and Tricky. Ultimately, she was told that Tricky had recovered. She reached the surgery by car to collect him. The doctor brought Tricky in his arms. Tricky jumped into Pamprey's lap and started licking her face. Tears were shining on her eyes. She thanked the doctor with trembling lips. So with this chapter over. Thank you.